Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Ask to Join Networks feature on your iPhone. Now, if you've been using your iPhone for a while, you've probably noticed those random pop-ups asking you to connect to nearby Wi-Fi networks. This usually happens when you're in public places like malls, coffee shops, airports, or even when you're just walking around. And honestly, while this feature can be useful sometimes, for most people it just becomes annoying, especially when it keeps interrupting what you're doing. So, if you want a cleaner, distraction free experience, I'll show you exactly how to disable it. Let's get started. First, go ahead and unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find Wi Fi, then tap on it. Now, at the top, make sure your Wi Fi is turned on. If it's off, just toggle it on so you can also see all the available settings. After that, scroll down slowly until you see the option called Ask to Join Networks. This is the setting that controls whether your iPhone suggests available Wi Fi networks. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now you also see three different choices here. You have Off, Notify, and Ask. Let me quickly break this down so you fully understand what each one does. If it's set to Ask, your iPhone will actively send you pop up prompts asking if you want to join nearby Wi Fi networks. This is the most noticeable and honestly, the most distracting option. If you choose Notify, your iPhone will still detect available networks, but instead of interrupting you with pop ups, it will just show a quieter suggestion, so it's less intrusive, but it's still there. But if you select Off, your iPhone will completely stop suggesting new Wi Fi networks. So, no pop ups, no prompts, nothing. So, if you want to get rid of those interruptions completely, just tap on Off, and that's it. You've successfully turned off Ask to Join Networks. Now, to clear things up, this setting does not disconnect you from your current Wi Fi network. If you're already connected, you'll stay connected as normal. Also, your iPhone will still automatically join networks that you've connected to before, like your home Wi Fi or office Wi Fi, so you don't lose any of your saved connections. Another thing to keep in mind is that turning this off can actually improve your overall experience, especially if you move around a lot. So you won't get those constant prompts anymore, which makes your phone feel smoother and less distracting. And on top of that, it can also help you avoid accidentally connecting to public or unsecured networks, which is always a good thing when it comes to privacy and security. Now, if at any point you want to turn on the feature back, no problem. Just go back to the same Wi Fi settings and switch it to either Notify or Ask. And that's how you turn off Ask to Join Networks on your iPhone. Very quick, simple, and definitely worth doing if those Wi Fi pop ups have been bothering you. And that's it. Thank you for watching.